Hey everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI weeks, and here is how the first week went. I felt like I was mostly functional in it. There was a couple of things that I haven't yet filled out because it is Sunday, but I'm really happy with how much I reached for this and how happy, like how it just made me feel. And then at the back in the notes pages, I was adding like the little highlights of the day, although I did date it wrong, but whatever. It was so fun just being able to fill that up and use that for just little highlights of the day. Yeah, I already made mistakes in here, but whatever. All right, so flipping to this week, December 2nd through to the 8th. Yes, you can see there is a little bit of bleed through there, but I actually don't mind too much just because of the way that I know I'm going to use this planner. I'm going to end up writing over it essentially. So it's not too big of a deal for me. I'm going to place another, I know I have another clip somewhere. Here we go. These clips I got from AliExpress and they were like $3 or $4. Okay, what I'm using this week is the last of my luxury advent calendar from Jojos Pretty Paper Shop, and these are huge stickers. I have been trying to get away from using stickers that are too big, so next year I probably won't be using stickers that are this big, so I'm excited to be able to use these in my planner, but it'll be interesting to see how I can get them in here. Let's get started. I'm going to use some of this washi here from, here we go. This is from the washi tape shop, and I honestly don't mind covering what's down here. And from how I used this last week, I'm pretty confident with being able to put this up here or even up here and still have the space that I need to like add tasks and then do my habit tracking down here, I think. Yeah. Oh, that's not what I want to put down there. I wanted to put this down here. No, I don't want it to cut off, so I'm going to place it down there at the bottom as much as I can. And then place this up at the top here. And yes, it takes up a ton of room, but I'm okay with that. Okay. All right, then I'm just going to take the December sticker and place it just right here. And then how many of these other stickers do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I want to actually just see where I'm going to place everything before I put any more stickers down. So, and I do want to maybe just put a little of this down at the bottom. I know I'm covering script with more script, but, and how did I, okay, I'm okay with how much I used. So then I can place a couple of these smaller ones down here. Oh, I like that. Oh yeah, we will be okay. Perfect. So then I'm going to take my ruler, and this is my Mahjong A1, and draw in the grids here. And I think the way that I used this last week worked really well in terms of how I split the grids, and I can see that it's going to be crooked, but whatever. And then placing this just like so, and that's where I'm gonna keep track of the weather. Yeah, and somebody asked me in a different, in a comment, like, where do you live and why is your weather so cold? And I'm like, yeah, that's part of living in Canada. So, okay, what are the things I need again? So I'm just gonna put here tasks. So these will be like tasks for the whole week. And then I'm having a hard time remembering what I put. No, I have my sleep score, and then I have my workouts, which I can put here, And actually there's other habits that I want to keep track of that I'll probably, okay. And then workouts and habits. There won't be enough room, so I'll have to put something up here. My sleep score may only take like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, there's not enough room to put the sleep score up here, but I can certainly write in my workouts here. So I will do that. Workouts. And then I will use my Lamy 2000, which currently has Diamine Bah Humbug in here. And I'll go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Perfect. Still enough room to write in what my workouts are going to be. Then here I will do my sleep score. Oh, wow, that was very shaky. Oh, and I didn't mean to do it in this pen. Oh, that's okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And somebody asked me why I put R for Thursday. It's just what I've been doing since university. It was whenever we booked university classes, that was the abbreviation for Thursday. And I've just kind of kept that. And then habits. So what have I been keeping track of? Let's see, vitamins, and then reading an audiobook, read 10 to 15 pages, which I have been so bad at recently, meditate, nighttime, and this week I need to do some painting. So that is the habit that I will be doing this week. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Perfect. That fit in really, really well. Okay, so now in this column, I feel like I could write with green actually instead of brown. So let's wait for that to dry first. Okay, so then on this leftmost column here, I'm gonna straighten things out because I feel like I'm crooked. We will put my work shifts. So Monday for work be 9 to 5:30. Same for Tuesday. So I'm still gonna end up keeping my work shifts in here, and then anything important that does come up will also be in here. So work 9 o'clock to 5:30. Oh no, it's 8:30. Dang it. 5:30. Whatever. And then work will be 9 o'clock to 5:30. Oh, I even had that wrong. There we go. And then will be Weight Watchers at 5:30 at Sherwood Park. I feel like there's other things that are happening this week that I cannot remember. Oh, 11 o'clock, windshield. I'm getting my windshield replaced. And then 2:20, another massage, using up my benefits. And then, Kids Ninja. H at N, and then Robin at badminton. I feel like there's stuff I'm missing. That's okay. I will fill it in as the week goes on. So then my to-do lists are going to be, I have to, gosh, every day is going to be slightly different, but yeah, I have to do meal planning, and I have to order groceries. But I also need to paint a collection. And at least try to get the July dates done. Then Tuesday, it is also garbage day. So put out garbage. See, the fine nib on this is almost too broad for my tiny writing in here. It's crazy. Then I will actually have to start working on a couple of orders. I'll also try and paint one more collection. And then I'll try and get the August dates done. I'm actually doing pretty well in terms of getting all the dates done for next year. Wednesday, I want to, I guess, film like inks 3 to 5. And then I'll fill it out as I go. What am I filming for Thursday? Okay, then, oh my gosh, I'm gonna put here bed linens. And then I'll have to clean bathrooms. And just do our regular cleaning here. I'm going to leave that as it looks very empty right now, but I'm going to then now check the weather for the rest of the week. Oh, there goes Lucy. So I have this stamp here that I bought off of AliExpress, and I will link it in the description below. And it's so funny using these, and somebody commented on the weather that we had last week that it was ridiculously cold. And thankfully, it's gonna get a little warmer this week. So make sure I'm centered. It's cloudy on Monday. Oh, that's cute. And then it is a little sunny. I almost feel like I have to do both. Like, let's move that over. It's gonna be sunny. Oh, darn. Oh well. And then same on Wednesday. And then cloudy the rest of the week. Oh, that really did not go through. And I almost don't want to put it over. Okay. Probably not the best ones. I may want to invest in different stamps. And then, what did I say? Cloudy the rest of the week? Yeah. And there's Lucy. And cloudy the rest of the week. Okay, they mostly went okay. I might actually go over the lines of this one here. Supposed to be a little sunny. This is the thing where, like, if you live here in Edmonton, where I'm from, it's deceptively sunny outside, and then you step outside and you're like, oh, it's -20. Oh, yeah, I want to mix them up. I want to mix up the writing. So the high on Monday is 2 degrees Celsius. The low is -14, and it's supposed to be cloudy. Gosh, and even the extra fine nib on the Lamy might even be too broad for my teeny tiny writing in here. So then the high on Tuesday is 3 degrees. Oh my goodness. I haven't really been able to take Lucy on a walk because it's just too cold. And she's such a tiny dog. Even if we put booties on her and everything, she's the type of dog who's like, no, mom. Like, she will even sniff the air before we let her out into the backyard, and she makes her decision based on that, going like, oh, I wrote cloudy when it was sunny. Oh my gosh. Oh, whatever. Thursday. Well, it is partly cloudy. It's supposed to be cloudy and sunny at the same time. Thursday, the high is 3 degrees. It's going to be actually lovely this week, which I'm very excited for. And then Friday, I know you guys are really interested in my weather here, so I apologize for that. Oh, and I got it wrong again. 3 -1 degree Celsius, and it's still cloudy. Saturday, oh my goodness, 5 degrees Celsius with a low of 0. That's nuts compared to what it is right now. And then Sunday, the high is 3 degrees Celsius, the low is 0 degrees, and it's still cloudy, but crazy. Okay, I think that is done. Sorry about just, yeah, being all over the place on that. But yeah, that was my Lamy 2000, which Feels like it's got a little ink on the barrel there. And then my Waterman Karen. I really like how this looks, and I like how the two inks look together, and now my hands are covered in ink as well. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm really liking using this right now. It's very functional for me. I love reaching for it and filling these out, whereas in my A5 I was just not reaching for filling this part out. One thing I do have to watch out for, though, is because I also take this with me when I'm out and about. I have to remember to actually take it out of my purse and put it back in or on my desk, so I am actually filling it out. Okay, once again, that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.